Happy New Year, Shopee fam! Ang bilis ng panahon, no? Meron na ba kayong New Year's resolution? Ako, isa doon ay mas matuto pa akong mag-budget ng finances. This year, we shared with you how you can pay your Meralco bills, how to buy load, avail piso deals, cash in for free via InstaPay, and send virtual cards all via Shopee Pay, na I hope nakatulong sa inyo, Shopee fam. At syempre, we're just getting started. Marami pa akong i-share sa inyo this 2022. Now for this episode, I'll show you how you can enjoy instant bank transfers via InstaPay for free. Yes, for free! Dito lang yan sa Shopee Pay. Here's how you can transfer funds for free and instantly from your Shopee Pay wallet to your bank account and e-wallets via InstaPay. Step 1. Before transferring to your bank account, make sure to have a verified Shopee Pay wallet first. Step 2. Tap Send Money in your Shopee Pay wallet and choose from the different recipient types. Today, I'm going to transfer funds to my bank account. Step 3. Select the bank to transfer funds to and input the required details. After this, click Next and input the amount to transfer. Step 4. Confirm if all details are correct, then proceed with sending your money. Step 5. Get notified of your successful transaction. Kahit anong bank mo, pwedeng-pwede. Transfer funds from your Shopee Pay wallet to various partner banks and e-wallets. Now, I'm ready to enjoy budgeting my finances with transfers via InstaPay using Shopee Pay. It's free, instant, and sobrang convenient. Oh, what's your favorite Adulting 101 video this year? Comment mo naman below. And tell us ano pang gusto nyong matutunan at mapanood next year. And that's all for now. See you next year, Shopee fam!